Hello, this is Harris English Language Program, and today we are going to talk about the second type and a very important type of the sentence that's called declarative sentences. Declarative sentences. Salam. Parun mugo gidu che imperative sentence si yaunan mugarazu podabanda gigu che declarative sentences si. Declarative sentence tir mohem sentence data bayaniya sentence yayu. Raza Chawal the definition bande puishu. A declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement or expresses a fact, opinion, or idea and ends with a period. Full stop. Period मतलब अमेरिकन्स वर्ता period या ये हम दस इंग्लिश ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश के full stop और दस तुम्हारी दा शेद देता मगा full stop या period वर्ता या ये चुता तुम highlight हो पड़ा A declarative जुमला हागा जुमला ही चेगे के माता से बयान वर्को मतलब I go to school every day दा बयान दा और express effect या हकीकत बयान को मसलन you know in Afghanistan Rashid is one of the best bowler da ya haqiqat da opinion ya rai or idea ya khayal and ends with a period और हमेशा आखिर के यो period वर्ता राजी मतलब full stop राजी दे लपारा देता मुगा सयायु देता मुगा declarative sentence yayu राजा चे पबल लग जान दगा कुछ दा सरकार कवी दा declarative sentence सरकार कवी it gives information दा मालूमात रा कवी दा मालूमात वर कवी it gives information दा मालूमात वर कवी it doesn't ask da pachtana na kavi doesn't ask any question like what is your name that what's your name where do you live okay do you know me or showing strong emotions command या हुक्म न वर कवी और show strong emotions या कुम या एहसास न जाहिर कवी दिल बारा देता मगर declarative sentence या statement sentence हम वर्ता wheel issue राजा चपद द डेर मुहिम शे यानी स्ट्रक्चर बांधे जान पोई कुछ द स्ट्रक्चर सदा द स्ट्रक्चर दा सदा चे अवल की सब्जेक्ट राजी सब्जेक्ट न बाद फौरन फर्स्ट फॉर्म सेकंड फॉर्म एनी फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब राजी और आखिर के ऑब्जेक्ट राजी सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट मतलब सो से मतलब सब्जेक्ट वी मीन वर्ब एंड ओ मीन ऑब्जेक्ट या एक्सटेंशन या हम दगा से प्रेडिकेट हम तीसरा मुझे कॉल इशू इजाफा हो खैर सब्जेक्ट वर्ब या ऑब्जेक्ट दा हमेशा सब्जेक्ट लरी मतलब दा नेगेटिव हमस्टा पॉजिटिव हमस्टा पॉजिटिव डिक्लेरेटिव हमस्टा और नेगेटिव डिक्लेरेटिव हमस्टा राजा चे वगीगु चे वस माता से सा पर मिसालू ना बांधे वगीगु जुमका अवल मिसाल दा अहमद goes to school Ahmed goes to school every day. Ahmed हर रोज मकतब तजीब या दा या information या मालूमात दा या कस्ता सुता वर्कवी और हम दागा से दा Ahmed doesn't go to school every day दल तच doesn't the subject or the verb months के च doesn't या don't राशि अगर तमगा negative या you didn't past के राजी बिया पदा बांधे च कलम का tenses शुरू को इंशाल्लाह So Ahmed goes to school every day. Ahmed doesn't go to school every day. Amdaga says bal jumla the ham dear important jumla the English is an international language. English is an international language. English subject is verb and international language is the extension. Amdaga says bal jumla the she is reading a book. She is reading a book. She is the subject, is the verb, reading a book is this is helping verb and that is the verb, the man verb, and reading a book is the object. So subject, verb and object is clearly shown in this sentence. So that's the reason that it is called a declarative sentence. The next sentence is they live in a small village. They live in a small village. They live, this is subject, this live is the verb in a small village. So a question, can we use any other verb here? Yes, all the verbs are used here. Like the first form, they lived in a small village, they live in a small village, they will live in a small village. They live in a small village is the first form of the verb, the lived is the second, they will live is the actually future. So that's the reason that we can say that this is declarative in future. هم دغه لږ نور په مثالونه هم وغږیږو راځي چې په ځان سم سي پوي کو سبجیکټ ورب اند آبجیکټ مطلب سوو سره چې کوم یو دغه شروع کیږي هغه سره موږ یو چې دا ډیکلریټیو دا مطلب دا سبجیکټ لري. Rashid Khan is the captain of Afghanistan cricket team. Rashid Khan is the Rashid Khan is the cricketing king. You can say Rashid Khan is the captain of Afghanistan cricket team. Here, Rashid is the subject, is once again that is the predicate of the sentence, but is as the verb there. It is showing the being. Next, biology is my favorite subject. Biology is my favorite subject. Next sentence, my teacher explains the lessons clearly. Next sentence, we are learning about sentences today. We are learning about declarative sentence today. The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. Afghanistan has beautiful mountains. Afghanistan has beautiful mountains. So let's go back and talk about this one again. आया मुझे कवलेशु चिद्दागा जाटुल जुमले नेगेटिव यानी मनफी जुमले की तब्दील को बिल्कुल मुझे कवलेशु लेकिन Ahmed goes to school every day. Ahmed doesn't go to school every day. English is an international language. English isn't an international language. She is reading a book. She isn't reading a book. They live in a small village. They don't live in a small village. Such like this, the other sentence, Rashid is the captain of Afghanistan cricket team. Rashid isn't the captain of Afghanistan's cricket team. Biology is my favorite subject. Biology isn't my favorite subject. My teacher explains the lessons clearly. My teacher doesn't explain the lessons clearly. We are learning about sentences today. We aren't learning about sentences today. The children are playing in the park. The children aren't playing in the park. Afghanistan has beautiful mountains. As Afghanistan hasn't got beautiful mountains or don't have beautiful mountains. Afghanistan don't have beautiful mountains. So these are the tenses that we spoke today. I think you have learned about the imperative sentence. If you have any question or any suggestion, write in the comment box. I am waiting for your comments there. I am your teacher Glorious. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Harris English Language Program, and don't forget to press the bell icon there. Thanks for what? Thanks for watching, and I am your teacher Gul Harris. Take care. Goodbye.